As far as style crazes go, TikTok's latest trend has taken the platform by storm, gaining over 1 billion views and enchanting fans all over the globe. The old money aesthetic, in a world where trends come and go like fleeting whispers, is about to reveal the enduring allure of old money sophistication. This isn't your ordinary fashion tutorial. It's a quest for a way of life, an art form, a philosophy. Together, we're going to explore the core principles that shape old money behavior. By the time we're through, you'll be well on your way to embodying the elegance and sophistication that have fascinated generations. So, whether you're here to refine your style, upgrade your social graces, or simply savor the timeless wisdom of the past, you've come to the right place. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to carrying ourselves with an elegance that transcends eras and cultivates a legacy that will echo through time. Welcome to a journey of inspiration and transformation. Let's dive. Dress like old money. In Dress Like Old Money, you don't have to inherit a fortune from your grandfather to look like an old money rich woman. It's all about presentation and knowledge. Dressing like your family has always been wealthy will already get you halfway there. However, the difficult part for many remains choosing the most suitable color combinations. Thankfully, the old money aesthetic is distinguished mostly by nude, neutral, and dark muted colors. The clothing you choose reflects your elegance and sophistication. Old money, women understand the importance of selecting pieces that stand the test of time and accentuate their grace. Fabrics like wool, silk, and cashmere take precedence for their luxurious feel and elegant drape. In the end, accessorizing with tasteful pieces such as pearl necklaces, classic watches, and leather handbags completes the look. By embracing these principles, one can create a wardrobe that radiates timeless elegance and enhances overall presence, making a statement without uttering a word. Manners and etiquette. In the old money world, one fundamental truth reigns supreme. While money can buy many things, it cannot purchase the grace, class, and sophistication that impeccable manners and etiquette bring. You may be dressed in the finest attire, but it's your manners, etiquette, and values that truly define your place. To truly embrace the essence of old money elegance, it's essential to invest in your knowledge of etiquette and manners. It's not about being stuffy or old-fashioned. It's about becoming a refined and well-rounded individual who can navigate the complexities of modern life while maintaining the timeless values of respect and courtesy. It's the path to becoming a true embodiment of old money sophistication. Cultivate grace in speech. Old money women effortlessly exude an air of elegance and sophistication, not just through their impeccable fashion sense, but their refined and measured communication style. These women are known for engaging in conversations with grace and poise, avoiding excessive use of slang or colloquialisms. Cultivating grace in speech is about more than just the way they speak. It's about the substance of their conversations. These women excel at engaging in meaningful discussions, actively listening to others, and expressing their thoughts with eloquence. To emulate old money sophistication, actively listen to others, allowing them to express themselves fully and respond thoughtfully. It's a hallmark of old money's communication style that leaves a lasting impression of intelligence and poise. Don't brag about money. Don't brag about money. In a world that often celebrates wealth and opulence, it's essential to remember that true affluence is often quiet and unassuming. One of the key markers of genuine wealth is the ability to refrain from bragging about it. Bragging about your wealth isn't just tacky, it's the opposite of what true wealth represents. Those who boast about their riches are often the ones who lack true financial stability. Stay humble. Trying to prove your superiority by flaunting your riches is the fastest way to make a not-so-great impression. Being humble and down-to-earth sends a powerful message that you are so used to wealth that you don't need to parade it around. It works wonders for your business and social life, opening doors in both the boardroom and social gatherings. Educate yourself. Educate yourself as much as possible. For old money women, education isn't just another checkbox, It's the cornerstone of their legacy. Even when heirs could theoretically live a life of leisure, old money families understand that knowledge is the bedrock of wise financial management and savvy business decisions. Committing to self-education is paramount to embody the elegance of old money. Devoted time to continuous learning, explore diverse subjects, and nurture a curious mind. Always make eye contact. There's a simple yet powerful practice that can elevate your presence. Always make eye contact. This age-old tradition isn't just about a fleeting glance, it's a deliberate act that signifies self-assuredness and respect, creating an aura of timeless elegance. Confidence is the cornerstone of old money elegance, and making eye contact is a hallmark of that confidence. It speaks volumes about your self-assured nature and genuine interest in those around you. Making eye contact isn't just about a fleeting glance, it's a deliberate act of acknowledging your worth and showcasing your self-assuredness. Stop over-apologizing. In the pursuit of confidence and self-assuredness, it's important to recognize the pitfalls of over-apologizing. While genuine apologies are a sign of maturity and accountability, constant apologies can inadvertently convey insecurity and a lack of confidence. Striking the right balance in apologizing is an essential part of personal development and self-assurance. It's about recognizing when an apology is genuinely warranted and when it may undermine your confidence. Stop over-apologizing. It's not an expression of kindness, but rather a potential reflection of vulnerability. Finding the right balance in apologizing is crucial for personal growth and self-assurance. In conclusion, and that's it for today. Before we part ways, I hope you found inspiration, insight, and perhaps even a touch of magic in these timeless principles. Remember, true elegance is not bound by trends or time. It's a beacon that guides us toward a life of enduring grace and sophistication. As you embark on this quest to embody the timeless elegance of old money, you find yourselves on a journey that transcends mere appearances. It's a journey that delves into the depths of character, grace, and self-assuredness. Here's the secret. True elegance isn't trapped in history. It's a living legacy, a testament to the boundless power of character and the endless capacity for growth. Take these principles with you, carry them in your heart, and let them light your path toward becoming the best version of yourself, one step at a time. So, my friends, stay elegant and never stop embracing the journey of self-improvement. Farewell for now.